Man vs. Nature, a skit presented by students of 5th standard, PUMS, Tenmelpakkam, Kattangalattur Union, Kanjipuram district. Vasant plays the role of God. Aarti Gopika as river. RS Gopika as land. M. Saranya as wind. R. Nachiyammal as a human being. God comes to the earth to listen to the grievances of river, land and wind.
The cry of my creation reaches my ears. Let me go and personally listen to their grievances. How do you do, my beloved river? Just have a look at me. Look at the wastewater from the city drainage floating on my back. I am sinking and I feel sick. See how black I am because of the industrial waste. Even on my back, one can see how people dump the waste products. People use my waters to bathe, wash clothes and bathe their animals. How can I remain clean? How are you, dear land? Is it all well with you? Agricultural lands are turned into factories and industries, estates and buildings under the name of modernization. These men have filled my body with chemicals and explosives, insecticides and fertilizers. May give a better yield, but man forgets that they pollute me. My entire body is polluted because of the mining and construction activities. Help me, God. How are you, dear wind? Smoke from transportation is injurious to health. Smoke from the factory pollutes me. The poisonous gases from the air conditioners and refrigerators add to the danger. The day is not too far when man will have to carry oxygen packet just like water bottle. For his very existence, I am helpless. Excuse me, are you God? Yes. Can I present my case? Go on. God, the planet Earth has become worse. We cannot live here. The temperature has increased. The air, water and land has become dirty. There is water scarcity. Give us rain. I know. But whose fault is it? I created this planet especially for you to live happily. It is a gift for you and for your children, but you have spoiled it. How can you be so careless about life which is so precious? If you can repent and try to set things right, you can live on, or else the doomsday is not far off.
So, let us take an oath today as not to pollute air, water and land.
Thank you.